Ready?
Am I ready?
Are you recording?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
No, Ian! No.
Nom nom.
Stop that.
Yum yum. Okay, go.
Go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ian, just go.
It's hard. What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
You're not eating very fast.
You're not eating. You are so. I'm timing you, by the way.
I'm ripping one out of this tray. Is that okay?
Yeah. Caitlin, he's really fast, actually.
I don't want to.
What? It's food coloring.
Unless you want your whole mouth to be red. No.
No.
Keep eating.
Keep eating. I'm still timing you.
How long has it been?
A while. You would have lost in a Kids Inc. race by now. Yeah, me too.
Do you want to show me?
Yep. Yep. Yeah. No.
You're almost
No.
done. Come on. You can do it.
I agree.
Okay.
No, what? Hey. Oh, okay.
Well, that upset you got. What? No. Almost done. Such an animal.
Oh my god. You have no idea how I'm like trying to follow you. It's very difficult. You're unpredictable.
I'll make Matthew in a second. Finish. You're almost done.
What is he doing?
Are you done? When you're done, you have to open your mouth and show us you're done.
What the hell are you doing? Are you done yet?